Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick video on how to change the oil and filter on a 2016 Chrysler 300 with a 3.6 liter. First, go ahead and pop your hood. Then locate your hood latch right here. And then locate your oil fill cap right here. Go ahead and pull that off. Then go ahead and place a block behind your rear wheel here. And then just behind your passenger wheel here, locate this pinch weld. And we're going to go ahead and jack that up right there. Grab a jack stand. We'll place a jack stand right under this one here. Go ahead and lower it onto the jack stand. Crawl underneath the front here, and we need to remove this skid plate here. So you got a 10 millimeter there, another one right here, and then you got two up front here that we need to remove. So go ahead and remove those. And then go ahead and slide this skid plate out towards the back of the car. Get this out of the way. Then go ahead and locate your oil pan, which will be right here. And then go ahead and get yourself a drip pan. And then also a 13 millimeter. And let's go ahead and remove the drain plug right there. And go ahead and let that drain. While that's draining down below, come up top, locate your oil filter right here housing, and that's going to be a 24 millimeter. So let's go ahead and take that off. Then go ahead and pull your oil filter out of here. Make sure you got a rag so you don't spill it everywhere. And then go ahead and pull out your old oil filter. This will just pull out of the cap. Get yourself a pick. Get up under this O-ring here. And go ahead and pull that off. Then go ahead and grab your new filter. So I got the Mopar M0-349. There's the filter, and it also comes with a new O-ring. So take your new O-ring, get a cap full of fresh, clean oil. Just kind of coat this O-ring in fresh oil. Just like that. Go ahead and grab your cap. Let's go ahead and stick this on here. Bring that down. Grab your new filter. That'll just snap right in there. Just like that. Take your new filter, go ahead and screw that in down here. Go ahead and tighten that up, get it snug. Then if you have a torque wrench, you can go ahead and torque that to 25 Newton meters. So as you can see, that's pretty much done draining. So go ahead and grab your drain plug, and let's go ahead and screw that back in here. And then go ahead and tighten that up. Then go ahead and grab your skid plate. And you may have to pull down on this to get it to slide in there. Grab your 10 millimeter bolts. Grab your jack. Let's go ahead and jack this up and get our jack stand out of there and lower it. And then go ahead and remove your block. Now we can go ahead and fill. So go ahead and grab yourself a funnel. So I'll be using just some Valvoline 520 synthetic. You can also look at your cap to see what it takes. And I believe these take right at 6 quarts. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add 5. We'll start it, and then we'll check the level after that and add a quart if we need to. Pull your funnel, replace your cap. Now let's go ahead and start it. Then with it started, just go ahead and check for any leaks at your oil filter here. And then go ahead and shut it off. I'll let this sit a few minutes, let that oil drain down into the pan, and then we'll check our level. Okay, so I let that sit for a little bit. Let's go ahead and check our level here. Pull your dipstick out and go ahead and wipe it. Stick it back down in there. Pull it out. And check your level here. And you can see, so we're sitting about right there. And we should be all the way in the crosshairs here. And this should be 1 quart right here. So it looks like we're almost low, 1.5 quarts. But let's go ahead and add 1 quart and let's see what it brings it up to. Okay, so I'll let that sit for a little bit again. Let's go ahead and recheck our level. And as you can see, now we are about 3/4 up the crosshairs. So we should be good right there. So that is 6 quarts. So lastly, let's go ahead and reset the oil life. So go ahead and turn it on, but don't start it. And then you can see, use these arrows over here, and we'll go to vehicle info right there. You see transmission temp. So go ahead and scroll over till you get to oil life, and you can see this is still at 55%. But we're going to reset it, and you'll hit the OK button. So you'll hold the OK button. And there you go. Now it says 100%. And then you can just go ahead and start it just to verify. And as you see, oil life 100%. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Again, this was a 2016 Chrysler 300 with a 3.6 liter. Went ahead and replaced the oil and filter. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.